British Interior Minister Priti Patel on Friday approved the extradition of WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange to the United States to face criminal charges, bringing his long-running legal saga closer to a conclusion. Assange is wanted by U.S. authorities on 18 counts, including a spying charge, relating to WikiLeaks' release of vast troves of confidential U.S. military records and diplomatic cables which Washington said had put lives in danger. His supporters say he is an anti-establishment hero who has been victimized because he exposed U.S. wrongdoing in conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq, and that his prosecution is a politically motivated assault on journalism and free speech. The Home Office said his extradition had now been approved, but he could still appeal the decision. WikiLeaks said he would. "This is a dark day for press freedom and for British democracy," Assange's wife Stella said. "Today is not the end of the fight. It is only the beginning of a new legal battle."